Hey guys, this is my first tip, and today I would like to share with you my advice on how to cut the dog's nails. As an owner of 3 dogs, I found out that this process can be really frustrating. Dogs don't like it, you can easily mess it up, and cut a little bit more than you have to, get in some blood. I found a really simple tool that can eliminate all of these problems and get your dog perfect nails in a matter of seconds. There are a lot of different kinds of this tool on the market, so you can find the best one that suits you, and they're more than affordable. Maybe you saw it before, but I would like to share with you what I do with it. So, this is that simple tool that I'm talking about, called nail grinder. Very easy to use. And this is my dog Simba. That'll be my assistant today. Let's see how this tool works on a dog. So as the result, you see very short nails, really short, and it took me like a minute. So painless and a good result. That's what I think. See if it can helps you. Thank you. Thank you very much.